What if I told you that by 2030, millions of jobs will vanish forever? Not because of a financial crisis, not because of outsourcing, but because of artificial intelligence. AI is no longer the future. It's happening now. And whether you like it or not, it's coming for jobs you'd never expect. Stay with me until the end, because we're counting down the 10 jobs AI is set to replace. And some of them might just surprise you. The rise of AI in the workforce. From self-driving taxis to AI doctors diagnosing diseases, technology is evolving at lightning speed. Companies are embracing AI to cut costs, increase efficiency, and replace human labor. The real question is your job safe? Let's find out. 10 jobs that AI will replace by 2030-10. Customer service representatives. You've probably noticed, when you call customer service, you're not always speaking to a human anymore. AI chatbots are faster, cheaper, and available 24/7. By 2030, human call center jobs could be nearly extinct. If you work in customer service, start adapting now by learning technical skills or moving into AI management roles. 9. Retail cashiers. Self-checkout is just the beginning. AI-powered stores like Amazon Go eliminate cashiers entirely. Just walk in, grab what you need, and leave. Cameras and sensors track everything. No lines, no cashiers, no hassle. If you're in retail, consider transitioning into inventory management, logistics, or customer experience roles. 8. Fast food workers. Have you ever ordered at a fast food kiosk? By 2030, AI-powered kitchens will cook, prepare, and serve food with zero human involvement. Restaurants like Cali Burger and McDonald's are already replacing workers with robots. Want to stay ahead? Learning tech-based culinary innovations or shifting to food safety and quality control might be the key. 7. Data entry clerks. I can analyze and process thousands of documents in seconds, way faster than any human. That means data entry jobs are on their way out. If your job involves manually inputting data, it's time to upskill before AI takes over. 6. Telemarketers and sales representatives. Think AI can't sell? Think again. AI-driven sales bots can analyze consumer behavior, pitch products, and even close deals, all without a human. The future of sales is digital, and traditional cold calling is becoming obsolete. Sales professionals should focus on high-ticket, relationship-based selling or move into AI-assisted marketing roles. 5. Truck and delivery drivers. Self-driving trucks are already on the roads. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Uber are pushing toward full automation in logistics. This means millions of trucking and delivery jobs could disappear. If you're in transportation, start thinking about fleet management, AI monitoring, or transitioning to AI-driven logistics. Number 4, bank tellers and loan officers. AI-driven finance is changing the game. People no longer need tellers when they can deposit, transfer, or even apply for loans online. AI evaluates credit risks better than humans, making traditional bank jobs less essential. Survival tip. If you're in banking, shift towards financial consulting or cybersecurity and fintech. Butterworth manufacturing and warehouse jobs. Factories once needed thousands of workers. Now, AI-driven machines handle assembly lines, packaging, and logistics, and they don't need breaks or salaries. Adapt by learning robotics maintenance or AI-driven engineering skills. 2. Journalists and content writers. AI like ChatGPT and Google's Bard can write full articles, summarize reports, and even generate marketing copy. Traditional journalism and low-skill content writing are at risk. Writers should focus on creativity, investigative journalism, and niche expertise that AI can't easily replicate. 1. Lawyers and paralegals. Basic legal work. Yes, even the legal industry isn't safe. AI is being trained to review contracts, analyze case law, and provide legal advice. While AI won't fully replace lawyers, routine legal work is becoming automated. Want to stay ahead? Specialize in litigation, complex legal strategy, or AI law compliance. The future of jobs. What should you do? So what does this mean for you? Should you be worried? The truth is, AI isn't just taking jobs, it's creating new ones. Here's how to stay ahead of AI. Learn AI and tech skills. Even basic coding, automation, or data analytics can future-proof your career. Develop soft skills, creativity, leadership, emotional intelligence, things AI can't replace. Stay adaptable. Keep up with new AI tools and trends in your industry. Tell me in the comments, Do you think AI will take your job? Or are you already preparing for the future? Let's talk. AI is evolving every day. The question is, are you ready for it? If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more future-proof career insights. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update on AI, jobs, and the future of work.